Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a craft supply store using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to our product section. Here we're going to click on add product and we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, I'm going to put over here my colored papers, and here for the description I'm going to copy my title. I'm going to click on generate text, I'm going to paste it and click on generate. This way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate again or just keep the one we already have, so I'm just going to click here to keep my description. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to select an image for our product. In the category section, as you can see, Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want to change it, we can click over here and change it to whichever one we would like. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor and collections section. And for collections, make sure you add your product to your home page. And for tags, you can put whichever one you like. For example, I'm just going to put craft supplies. There you go. Here we're going to have the pricing section. Which we're going to use to set a price for our product. For example, let's say that we're going to charge around 40,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 20,000 pesos. This is going to leave us with a 20,000 pesos profit at a 50% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to save our product. As you can see, once it's done, if we go back, we will have our first product uploaded. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see over here, I have added a bunch of new products, for example my crayons, my glue and my scissors. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my online store and we're going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change, it's going to be its theme. You can see if we go down, you're going to have a bunch of different free themes to use. And if we click over here on visit theme shop, we are going to be able to shop for a bunch of different free themes. For example, as you can see here, we're going to have a lot of them, some of which may better suit our website. But for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, I'm going to click on customize. And as you can see here, we're going to have our website ready to be customized. For example, if I click over here, you can see that this section is going to be outlined by a blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and if I click over here on select, add images, I'm going to be able to select an image to be our banner. So once this is done processing, I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, the image is going to change. Next, I'm going to click on our heading to change the text over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my craft supplies store. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options. For example, featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and here on the right we're going to click on select to select a product, and for example I'm going to choose my crayons. There you go. As you can see here, my product is now being displayed right over here. Let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we're going to put a nice dark theme on this new section. Now another thing that can happen is that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, over here I'm going to add a featured collection, and as you can see it's going to appear right here at the bottom. Now in order to make sure in order to delete this section, sorry, what we're going to do is make sure we have the section we want to delete selected, and once it's selected we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on remove section. This way the section is going to be completely removed. Another thing that we can do is we can add sections to our footer right over here. We can add a custom liquid and an email sign up. And also for our header over here, we can also add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to exit. And here on the homepage of Shopify, we're going to click over here on name your store. Name store again, and now we would be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put craft supplies, and I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, but here instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here on our header, the name is going to be changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done customizing our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next, we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now, this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click save discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.